Good morning, my dear students. Today, let us begin the exercise 2.5 of triangles. The problem is, perhaps this one is the last one. In equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equals to 4 times the square of on its altitude. Okay, now let us draw the equilateral triangle. B, C, this one is D. In triangle given, triangle ABC is equilateral. AB equals to BC equals to AC. Then to prove, that is, in an equilateral triangle, prove that the 3 times the square of one side, 3AB square equals to 4AD square. 4AD square, that is 3AB square equals to 4AD square. AD perpendicular to BC. Let AB equals to A units. AB equals to A units. Therefore, AB equals to BC equals to AC equals to A, because that is given A. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Then this side is A, this side is A, this BC is also A, this is A by 2, this is A by 2. BD equals to CD, that is equals to BC by 2. Therefore, BD equals to CD equals to A by 2. Because in an equilateral triangle, the altitude bisects the base, that is A by 2, that is A. BD equals to A by 2, CD equals to A by 2. Now, let us consider one of the right angle triangle. In triangle ABD, triangle ABD, angle ADB equals to angle ADB equals to 90 degree. Therefore, AB square equals to BD square plus AD square. BD square plus AD square. AB square is nothing but A whole square. BD square is nothing but A by 2 whole square plus AD square plus AD square. Now A square equals to A square by 4 plus AD square. Now A square minus A square by 4 equals to AD square. LCM 4, 1 4 ja 4 1, that is 4A square minus A square equals to AD square. See, 4a square minus a square is equals to 3a square by 4 equals to ad square. Four a square minus a square equals divided by 4 equals to 3a square by 4 equals to ad square. Now 3a square equals to cross multiply 4ad square. A equals to we have considered as AB. So 3ab square equals to 4ad square because A equals to AB. A equals to AB, A square equals to AB square. Hence, statement is proved. And statement is proved. Okay, very simple one. See the equilateral prove that the 3 times the square of any side. AB square is the side, BC square is the side, AC square is the side. Any one triangle you can consider and prove the result. See here, I have considered the triangle ABD. Then I have prepared a little bit by utilizing this diagram. See, all the sides are equals to A because I have considered one of the side as A units. So here that altitude divides the base into 2 equal parts. So that is why this is BD is A by 2, CD is also A by 2. So I have shown that BD equals to CD equals to that is BC by 2. The reason is already I have told that AD bisects the base. So that BD equals to CD equals to A by 2. Then I have considered the triangle ABD, which execute an angle of 90 degree at ADB. So AB square equals to BD square plus AD square. That value is substituted. After simplification, we have 4a square minus a square divided by 4 equals to AD square. 4 equals to AD square. See, 1 4s are 4 1s are, that is 4a square minus a square is nothing but that is 3a square by 4 equals to AD square. Then cross multiplication, 3a square equals to 4ad square. Then A for which term we have considered, that is AB equals to A. So 3ab square equals to 4ad square. Which one is the required result? Got to write. Hence the statement is proved. Okay. Write down. This one is the objective type question. In triangle ABC, AB equals to 6 root 3, AC equals to 12, BC equals to 6 centimeter. The angle B is, they ask. So first of all, we have to draw the right angle triangle. ABC. AB equals to 6 root 3, AC 12. They are given AC 12. BC 6 centimeter. BC 6 centimeter. Then AB 6 root 3. AB 6 root 3. Okay. Now, in triangle ABC, let angle B equals to 90 degree. Let angle B equals to 90 degree. We do not know how much is the angle B. So we have considered as if it is 90 degree. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. that is AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AC how much? 12. Then AB how much? 6 root 3 plus BC 6 square. Okay, 12 square is nothing but 144. 6 root 3 36 into root 3, square of root 3 means 3 plus 6 is 36. Okay, 144 equals to 108. 36 3s are 108 plus that is 36. See, 144 equals to 144, which satisfies the condition that angle B equals to 90 degree. The given data satisfy the properties of right angle triangle with respect to the Pythagoras theorem. Hence, angle B. Therefore, angle B equals to 90 degree. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. In this way, you have to think and find the answers. Write down. See, this chapter is completed now. Let us observe some extra questions which are considered as most likely questions. Say, in this question, the figure has given. In the figure, if AD perpendicular to BC, the figure is like this. What you are seeing, the figure is like this. We have to prove that AB square plus CD square equals to BD square plus AC square. BD square plus AC square. Okay. Now, consider in triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, angle ADC equals to 90 degree. Angle ADC equals to 90 degree. So, which one is the hypotenuse? The side opposite to 90 degree, that is AC square equals to what is AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square. First one by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AD square plus CD square. In triangle ABD, angle ADB equals to angle ADB equals to 90 degree. Here, which one is the hypotenuse? Which one is the hypotenuse? AB square, the side opposite to right angle triangle, this side, that is AB square equals to BD square plus AD square. BD square plus AD square. Second one by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square equals to BD square plus AD square. Now, we have to prove this result. AB square plus CD square equals to BD square plus AC square. Now, subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtract equation 1 from 2. That means 2 should we have to write first. AB square equals to BD square. AB square equals to BD square plus AD square. The first one is AC square equals to AD square plus CD square. Okay, subtraction, then we have to change the sign. See, AB square minus AC square, AB square minus AC square equals to plus AD square minus AD square gets cancelled. Plus AD square minus AD square cancelled. See, what is remaining? BD square plus, BD square minus CD square. This one is the dead sign. This sign we have to consider. BD square minus CD square. Now observe the result what they have given. AB square plus CD square. AB square plus CD square. So let us bring CD this side. That is AB square minus CD square means plus CD square equals to BD square minus AC square means plus AC square. See, AB square plus CD square equals to BD square plus AC square. We got the result what we need. So this question is very important one that related to this triangle. This carries 2 marks. Then you have to solve neatly and as well as perfectly to get the result. Now observe the method of solution. In what way we have solved this one? Okay. First we have considered the first triangle in triangle ADC. Then in ABD. Then we have subtracted first from second. So the second result is written first and first result is written second. Then it has been signs are changed because subtraction is there. AB square minus AC square plus AD square and minus AD square gets cancelled. The remaining terms are BD square and minus CD square. Then we have rearranged the result. That is AB square minus CD square as transposed to this side. That is plus CD square minus AC square as taken away that side. That means BD square plus AC square. Okay. This one is the required result. You have to prove, hence proved. Hence proved. Write down. Today this chapter is completed. From tomorrow we will continue the geometry from the circle called from the chapter called circles. Okay. circle as only 2 exercises it seems. Tomorrow let us begin the chapter circles. Okay, thank you.